the egg washing station could be jazzed up a bit with storage and really just more of a functionality, because right now it serves as a resting place for anything. So I want to dance it up. I want to give it some shelving, as well as I think I want to create a place for us to do our seating, our sewing. So it's close to the house and it's near this the laundry vent so that they stay warmer. Because right now it's still pretty cold, but if we can keep them warm enough inside the tent, then at nighttime they'll survive. So the goal is to figure out a shelving system, a greenhouse effect, as well as a better egg washing experience.
My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.
storage is the main focus because we have a lot of stuff here, and some of it has purpose, some of it does not. So what better way to organize than with putting in storage units? I'm cleaning up this little section right here, so that way crying baby. This is Scott's dog stuff and washing. Nice and flea ridden, but it doesn't really work. These microgreens. Huh? Oh, what's up, hey, brother? What are you up to? You doing what? Here you go, boy. Why do you let him hit it so?
Because he's a dumb, stupid dog and he doesn't like steak for some reason.
I wonder why. Maybe it's too hard. Maybe it's dry.
Oh, it's wet. Look at it.
Oh, he doesn't like it?
Look at it.
Oh, maybe he doesn't like it raw. Maybe he likes
I think that's what it is.
Well seasoned.
Every time I try to give him raw steak, that
he probably has grown to not like it.
oh, I hurt my shoulder.
That'd be ridiculous.
Well, he's a dog.
Yeah. Where you going? Are you guys leaving?
Yeah, we go to the stuff for Home Depot.
What are you getting from Home Depot? The stuff? This thing is filthy. I don't know what they're doing over there. That was just a lazy cleanup and a quick tidying, and also a planning for what can improve the egg washing station. It also doubles as a planning area because sometimes we do our seedlings or our water stuff, like my plants that I'm seeding now. So I look forward to putting in a shelving unit as well as stabling up this table. It's a little flimsy, it's a little flimsy. Thanks for watching, like, comment, and subscribe.